and welcome to my channel. My name is Lainey and I try to post videos twice a week. Unless it's a skit, then I only post once a week because that's a lot of content. That is so much content to post and I am a busy college student. But anyways, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because it would help me a lot because I gotta earn that AdSense revenue to pay for tuition. And if you like what you see here, I post daily to TikTok and Instagram. So if you want to see even more content and cute cosplays and Lolita and like alternative fashion and all that, be sure to check out those two accounts. Anyways, I hope everybody is staying safe during quarantine, and if you are extremely bored right now, like I am, I came up with a fun challenge to do, which is what this video is going to be. I know that there are a lot of like closet cosplay challenges out and in existence, and this one probably exists. I have no clue, I didn't look it up. There's none circulating right now at the second when we really need them, so I thought, you know, why not try to start one? And this is going to be it. It's going to be a cosplay, too many C's, cosplay closet challenge. Cosplay closet challenge. I'm sorry, I stutter and I was like, how do I pronounce words? But anyways, here's what it is. You are going to take the last movie, the last TV show, the last anime, the last video game you played, whatever was the last, you're going to pick a character and you're going to cosplay that character, but you cannot make anything. You cannot buy anything. What you need to do is go into your closet, your existing cosplays, stuff you have around the house, and make that cosplay with it. Put it together. Well, I guess you can make anything. I guess by that I meant like don't sew something super intricate, but obviously you can like alter stuff you have. You can hot glue stuff together, but it's something fun to do while you're around the house using things that you already have. So yeah, if you end up doing this, please tag me in it, take a picture, make a video, make a TikTok, tag me in it, and I will hype you up. I will share your stuff. I will hype you up. I am your hype man as of right now. But yeah, let's go. The character that I am going to try to be building is Haru from Beastars because I'm a furry. It was the last anime I saw. I had no clue it was all like animals, I guess. I just saw all of these really cute cosplayers on TikTok and I was like, what is this? What is Beastars? However it's pronounced. And I went on Netflix, I looked it up, and I'm like, I'm bored. Why not? And then, what do you know? I kind of became addicted to it because I love Legoshi. I don't really like Haru that much. I have mixed emotions about her. There's qualities I really like, but qualities I also really don't like. But like, we're gonna do her today because I am weak for bunnies. I think bunnies are the cutest thing in the universe next to cats. So here we go, bunny girl. Let's go. I'm going to try to make Bunny Haru. Okay, so obviously I'm going to be doing Haru, who is a bunny person, but I'm gonna be doing like a humanoid version of Haru. I don't own any bunny ears. I mean, like, I used to when I was like 10 and they're these really cheap, cute ones, but I'm pretty sure I donated them years and years ago. So I'm going to try to look for hair accessories for this, but that's stressing me out because I don't know what to do and I can't think of anything in my head. So we're going to start with her outfit first. I have a couple things in the back of my mind, but first I'm gonna go through my like daily clothes and then I'll take you over to the other room where all my cosplay stuff is and see if we can just like come up with something. So yeah, take a look at my extremely messy closet. Alrighty, so this is as far as my closet actually opens, which kind of sucky because like I have more clothes shoved back there and over there. But we're gonna try it anyways. As you know, Haru is a Mayo rabbit. Yeah, I own a lot of black clothing, but I don't own a lot of white clothing. So it's going to be interesting. I don't have pants that look like her. I don't really own any white bottoms of any type. I have like white stockings, not even stockings, like socks, but that's about it. So I'm not really sure what to do for that, but for now, we're just going to look for her top, and I had a couple things in mind for that. The first one is attached to my Annie's breakfast dress. It's long sleeve, which is a lot unlike her school uniform, but like, I think those are just the summer versions because it does take place during summer, so maybe I could do like a winter version. Oh, you can't really see it. It has this big floppy Peter Pan collar, and yeah, I was thinking I could use this one. And then something else I was thinking of using is my Yolanda Bunny Herbology dress, which is like short sleeve, kind of frilly, but it doesn't have that little room for a neck bow. Crap, I don't know what I'm gonna do for the neck bow either. But this was my other top I was thinking of. You've definitely seen both of these in previous videos. I'm going to put those two off to the side. Pants. people really need to see my pants. I feel like quarantine is the season of no pants, where you just like nobody sees it. So maybe I'll just, you know, do shots from here. Sorry, I like looked off to the side and I know she has a little belt and I see a belt that might work. Whoop. Yeah, I mean, it has pink on it and her belt is tan. This is as close as I'm gonna get to tan. So you know what, I'm gonna put this off to the side. We'll see about that. So that's stuff in my normal closet and I think that's all I can do here for now. But now we're going to go to my cosplay closet and see if we can take any pieces from like any of those and use it. And also a lot of the cosplays you see or you'll see in the background are actually for sale. I started sorting them out in piles of what I'm selling and donating and keeping. Last time I was home months ago. I don't remember what's in which pile, but some of those items will be for sale if you want to buy them off of me and help me fund my college tuition. Alright, so this is my cosplay closet. If you actually want to see a video on this, I have a cosplay storage video that you can check out. If I remember, I'll link it down below, but it's on my channel somewhere where I talk about how all my cosplay is organized, if you want to see how this is organized. But yeah, so we're going to look for any other tops and skirts and like pieces of that cosplay that we can, you know, use. So I'm gonna go through this guy over here. Maybe. I wish I was doing like a live so you guys could help me. Okay, I have like what are these called? Like ascots? Escot? No, I don't think it would work. Okay. I have one other pile to go through, so let's go through that and see if I can find any keepers to use for this challenge. Okay friends, please no judgment on this pile. I know it's bad and it's on the floor and it's a mess over here. Please no judgment. Wait. Oh, I forgot this existed! Oh, you can't even see it. It's a sailor top from my, oh, what is this called? Love Live Hanukkah Marine Unidolized? Yeah, it's like a unidolized marine version. This might be as close as I get. I actually like this. Oh, I like this a lot more than the others. Okay, we're gonna put that off to the side. I like that more than the one over there, and I think I like it more than the other two. I see something white at the bottom too. Aha, where did this come from? Cool. I don't know where this came from, but it's in my pile. I get a lot of clothes from friends and like hand-me-downs and I go thrifting a lot, so it's probably from one of those. But this is awesome. This is so cool. I didn't know where this came from. I didn't know I had this. This would be, I mean, it's off-white, but like this is actually pretty good for what I have. I need to figure out what to wear under this so I don't flash people because it looks very, very sheer. Okay, well, I think we actually got her school uniform kind of figured out with these two pieces. Okay, I know it's really hard to see, but this is what we have so far. I took the pin off of this guy and I think it's about as close as we're gonna get. Then I have that tan belt and this tulle skirt, but I still need to figure out what I'm gonna wear under that. Okay, so I found 3 different wigs, so I'm gonna try them on here and then show you guys and just give you my thoughts while I like look in the mirror. Okay, really fast. I was putting on my wig cap, right? And I was looking for one of these guys to like be more skin toned. And I was going through my accessories and I found ribbon. And then I thought of, what if I do a ribbon for this thingy right here? Okay, so this is the super long one. I like it, but I feel like it's a little bit dark, but I definitely really like it. But I'm also worried that like Haru, well, you don't really know if she has long hair, so I guess it's fine. But I'm just worried it's too dark and it's gonna look weird with white and gray. Oh, also, I think this worked great, so. Okay, this is the second one. I think I actually like the first one a little bit better. Anyways, if you guys like any of these more than the other, or any combinations more, like comment them down below and I'll try them out. But this is what this one looks like, and let's go on to the last short one. Actually, I think I'm just gonna go with this one because it is white. Yeah, well, we're gonna go with white and let's take a look at some more of my cosplay accessories because I have them in places all over, and see if we can figure out something with the hair. If you watch my cosplay storage tour, then you know that I keep a lot of accessories in this thing. So I have, can you see it? Yeah, I have a top and a bottom drawer. The bottom drawer is all the things that correspond with actual cosplays. This top drawer is just like random miscellaneous crap. Holy crap. Wait. Where's my rainbow? Okay. I could use my rainbow for this. I'm dumb. It's in front of my face. God, I am so dumb. Bunny ears, right? Maybe? Let's try this. I feel like these look like bunny ears, or at least resemble them kind of. Yep, so now let's just throw everything together and I'll see if I can figure out the pants on my own, because I don't know. Hello friends, so this is what I came up with. I cannot really solve the skirt problem at all, but you know what? I don't think I did too bad of a job. What do you guys think? Do you agree with my choices for styling? Would you have me choose anything different? And yeah, if you decide to do this challenge, be sure to tag me in it so I can hype you up and support you. Anyways, I don't know, I feel kind of silly wearing this, but I'm gonna make some TikToks regardless. So look out for those, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos, and I'll try to think of more fun, creative things to do during quarantine. Anyways, everybody, please stay safe. I love you so much, and until next time, bye!